Hey you guys, hey, what's up? It's
Hey.
Heather the original. We're here. We are chilling in our backyard today, you guys. Yeah, we're just chilling. We are not doing what we want to do, but we're kind of doing what our son wants to do. We're having McDonald's. So I am having a quarter pounder deluxe meal. It seems to have all the fixings on it. But hey, and he's having a double quarter pounder. I am kind of going off topic. I just want to let you know, hey, if you're coming back to me, thank you so much. And if you're new to me, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Let us know that, hey, you care about us. It just helps our channel grow and survive. Thank you so much. But yeah, and then I have a 4-piece nugget and fries. Yeah, I'm kind of intertwined. I'm so sorry. But we are starving. We've been starving all day long. And we're just ready to eat and get it in. We'll say a quick prayer.
Yeah.
You want to lead us or you want me?
Go ahead.
I say the same thing.
I know.
God is great. God is good. Let him think it's for our food. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
So we're ready to get it in for y'all. But I've actually never had the quarter pounder deluxe before. I don't know. I got extra. I got mac sauce on it. He got mac sauce on his double quarter pounder too.
They have the mac sauce.
So, but I've never had the deluxe. I don't even know. He said it just comes with more.
Sloppy.
It's sloppy. Yeah, it looks sloppy as heck.
They just say, yeah, we're going to
Goodness.
throw that on there.
Look at this, y'all. It's messy.
Messy McDonald's. Throw that on there.
Yeah. What the hell?
That's a mess. They did that on purpose.
What in the world? Get your
It's all
napkin.
on your nose.
That was not going to be a clean bite.
It wasn't going to be clean at all. They attack you. That burger attacked you. They did.
Let me get more napkins.
You on your nose.
And more on my nose?
It was one on your nose.
You need a napkin.
Okay.
You need a napkin too. I mean, geez Louise, you guys. There was no way that was going to be a clean bite. Okay. Cringe-ready moment. If you don't like messy videos, you have to tune out because it's going to be messy because I'm going to eat my burger. It's going to be messy. Right? Mm-hmm. Oh, shoot. I can't get away from it, you guys. I don't know what to tell you. Look at this mess. Literally a mess. They know they wrong for that. All I said was mac sauce on it. Jeez. There is pickle.
They got a lot of pickles on it. Messy
I cannot be a lady and eat this. Sorry, y'all.
Mexican quarter pounder. Yeah.
Yours is dipping out too.
I believe that lady was mad at her. I can't stand y'all.
Apparently not.
Nobody
Wow.
asked you to go work at McDonald's.
This
get
is
paid for what you
crazy,
do.
you guys. They did me wrong on this now.
They just all just splurted it on them. I'm gonna fix her.
Now, I know y'all ain't seen us in a couple days. We apologize for that. That was not meant to be. You see, let me tell y'all a little something. We got cute Saturday night, thinking we was young again, and went out.
Lord. Dance around. Getting it. Woke up the next morning. Oh, Lord. I ain't young no more.
Y'all, we sat up in that bed. This is a Sprite.
All day long.
I was like, I didn't see him, he didn't see me, and I was like, I go check on him like, you all right? You good? Because we were just dead to the world. I said, I don't know what we thought we was doing. No, I'm so sorry. Really? Mm-mm.
You got a nerve to wear white. You're gonna get enough of wearing white.
I bet. Come on, Papa Joe. Y'all, it got me messed up right here. Anywho, we could not film, eat, think, function. We couldn't. We wanted to. I didn't get up till and function around 9 o'clock at night, I think. About 8, maybe 8.
About 8 o'clock.
When I started to function like a normal human being. Yeah. Couldn't do it no more, y'all. We were having a good time though. But
it was just,
my best friend and my family.
A lot of energy that was up in there.
You were dancing.
I was. I was cutting mine up now. I had to cut mine up. Hell.
Y'all see him, y'all? In the middle of the dance for just getting it. I was like, okay.
Go, Unc. Go, Unc. Go, Unc. Who the hell is Unc?
Whatever.
You. They said to you.
Your ass is.
You old, nigga.
And I was rolling. I said, okay, go ahead with your bad self. And me. My heels. Yeah. We was doing the most.
We paid for it the next day.
And so we supposed to be filming every day. Do you feel like you ain't got no salt on your burger?
On my burger?
I feel like I ain't got no salt on my burger.
I ain't finna put none on there either.
No. But y'all,
Mine's not as messy as hers. Hers,
they died me out.
yeah, a double.
You don't have nothing on yours. You need some of my sauce? Let me get another napkin.
Oh no, I'm good.
Can I get another napkin?
It's still can.
That's how messy mine is, y'all.
I don't need none of your sauce. Here you go.
I got sauce for everybody. Shit. I got sauce for the person down the road and up the street. But
She did that out of spite. I'm gonna fix this lady. See how much salt she need on her burger.
yeah, while we were gone, because where we went was about 40 minutes from where we stayed. So, in the midst of that, the next day I'm driving down the road, y'all. I look up, and there's a house that had been on fire. Burned up, inside and out, uninhabitable.
Lady done burn her house down.
And I knew the person that lived there. Now, in one of my videos, maybe I recall which one when I'm editing this back. Off the top of my head, I don't remember which one. Or she's the one that I told y'all was a very happy person. I don't want to admit to, you know, anything on camera, but I just told y'all she's a very happy person. Oh man. Watch that shut about to bark. Shiloh. Shiloh. The neighborhood. Let's just say she's a person that's, she walks around the neighborhood, and she lives in the neighborhood. And let's just say she's a person that's very happy all the time. It was her home, so I know of the person. And I haven't seen her. I'm concerned.
Probably somebody, a relative.
I'm assuming she's okay. I'm assuming. I don't know. Because my other next door neighbor, she usually knows everything. And she just said, yeah, her house caught fire. And she went on about her business. So, I'm like, I want to know more. You know, if the woman's okay. I'm assuming, because I don't know, she'd be having her grandchildren there sometimes. Staying there with her. Or her daughter or something. So, I am concerned and curious.
This tastes flat.
About your Coke? Let me get another napkin. And will you give me a full napkin? You could give me the tiny ass pieces. I need a napkin.
Yeah.
You do. Wipe your face.
Sure.
Thank you. So, yeah. I'm nervous.
How nervous are you?
Just concerned.
Yeah.
I'm thinking nothing major. Well, your home burning down is major. But I don't think any lives were lost or my other neighbor. She stays home. She's here all the time. She knows everything that's going on in the neighborhood. Would have said something. The fact that she just said, yeah, I caught fire and went on shows me that more likely, you know, nobody might have been there, or, you know, if they were, they got out. That's so scary. But, yeah. I might show y'all some footage. I can go get some footage and show y'all. I'm just promising all sorts of stuff on it. Woo! This feels so good on our tummy. I didn't eat yesterday. I was just trying to recoup. How'd it feel, old Papa Doc?
Huh?
Is that how it feel?
All right. I'm good.
You have fun?
I did. Remind me back in the days. Way back in the day.
Damn, you ain't kicked it like that that long?
Huh?
So you ain't kicked it like that that long? I don't even know if I have room for the chicken nuggets, y'all. I was tearing up that burger. That messy ass, humiliating burger that y'all get to see me eat and humiliate myself eating. But I was determined to eat it. Ooh. Excuse me, burp. Don't be turning your nose at me, burping.
Damn, girl, you burping and going on all that stuff.
You don't gotta burp. Whew. Burping helps make room, don't it, child? Tell them. Burping helps you make room. No, we don't have anything intelligent to talk about right now. All right, y'all. Chicken nuggets and honey mustard.
Flat Coke. Look at it. Ain't got no life in it.
That better not be diet. That's not diet, is it?
I don't think so. It ain't dark, it's just flat.
Because our son's supposed to have the Diet Coke. Yeah. It just tastes like a watered down flat Coke.
That's what it is. They probably hooking us up, boy, the whole time.
One
We was
nugget?
like, yeah, I'll take it.
You want sauce? There's honey. There's barbecue and honey.
I'll
mustard.
take this right up.
You like you some mustard?
Yeah, right up. Yeah, right in your mustard.
Yes, it's mustard. But we tried to do it outside in the yard. We just said to do it out in the yard. Get out of the house.
See the birds chirping and stuff. Nature.
We do love nature.
Look at your bird.
Shut up.
It's dead. It's definitely dead. Your bird is dead.
It better be dead.
And messy.
Fuck that burger. There's anything wrong with that burger.
Yeah, I meant to do that.
Oh, shit on them. Y'all, I'm about to hide this from the world. Ooh. You get full?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we apologize for missing a couple days. That was not cool of us. We was out like the town. You been watching movies?
At the movies again.
He was watching the old cartoons. What possessed you to watch that?
Didn't have nothing else to watch. Just looking through. Watching different.
He was watching, what are you watching? Land Before Time.
A Good Dinosaur. And what else? I'm telling you.
Just nostalgia movies, I guess. Movies our kids used to watch.
The Mermaid. I watched Tinkerbell.
That's the one I seen.
Yeah, Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell, and they trying to find this one monster-looking thing.
I looked up outside.
Building up.
You're watching Tinkerbell?
Grunt. Yeah, that's what the name. The creature that was trying to pursue. Found out he was building towers and stuff, and by the time the towers start storming, he grew horns and the wings, and he just protected the whole area and everything. Where he,
This
the
on
lightning.
Tinkerbell?
Yeah, this, huh?
Are you describing Tinkerbell to me?
Yeah. Just like the monster thing.
Oh.
Yeah, they had the towers and stuff, and then the electric started hitting him, and they hitting his horns and stuff, like Hellboy, you know.
Okay.
It was crazy. Then he go to sleep for 1,000 years.
Oh.
And then he wake up and do it all over again. Yeah, I'm like, damn, 1,000 years, they be dead by then. By the time he wake back up.
Well, they're fairies.
Right, he probably live forever to him.
Mm.
With that little pixie dust.
Pixie dust?
That right there. Pixie dust.
You. The fact that you're saying pixie dust right now has me concerned. All good.
It's a cartoon.
It is just a cartoon. It's one of our kids' favorite.
Yeah.
He said he's just feeling it today. I understand.
Yeah. Now I'm watching Wakanda forever.
Yeah. You start watching Wakanda.
Black Panther.
This movie afternoon.
Yeah.
Me, I was working.
And they still trying to get that what's that stuff they after? Uranium. Like, yeah, right.
Oh yeah, that stuff that you.
Yeah, that they use for everything.
I forgot what it's called.
Uranium.
Ukrainium?
Something
No.
like that. It's uranium.
I forgot what they called it. I know what you're talking about though.
God.
Captain America's shield is made after it.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Ukrainium or something like that.
uranium.
Yeah, it has. I do know it doesn't have a B in
Something,
it.
I don't know what it is. They got something stuff, technology stuff that, you know.
You know me, I'll stick the name of it right here. Maybe Ukrainian. Ukrainian? I don't know. I know it wasn't B.
Huh?
One nugget?
No.
Oh.
I don't want no more.
Why you said that?
I don't want no more of your nuggets. I'm full.
Oh, you got a double.
No.
Oh, yeah. We're going to wrap this up since she's getting full. And we ain't talking about nothing. We're just mad we missed a few days of videos. But it makes you feel bad I wasn't eating. You really didn't eat either. We couldn't. We were out for the count.
Whew. Well, that's it.
I can't believe we let our son pick our meal tonight.
I know, right?
McDonald's.
Look at these.
Mm-mm. Well, at least it's edible.
Better than nothing. Better to eat.
We gotta get some in our tummy. Even if it's horrible processed food.
They say you could put McDonald's in a capsule and wait 25 years and that burger would be the same.
Somebody else said that. I was watching this other
I do not believe that.
I was watching this other mukbanger. I guess you see the same thing. About it holding its thing, whatever.
Yeah.
No matter what McDonald's make their stuff out of. Supposedly it's supposed to not break down. Which is scary. But it breaks down in our bodies, clearly.
Or does it?
I don't know.
Or your stomach actually eat through anything, so.
Mm-hmm.
You're hungry, it's gonna break it down.
Which is scary, I guess, you guys.
But it can be harmful to you.
Speak up.
it could be harmful to you if you eat it a whole month. I'm worried about that too.
One thing I noticed about these videos, you speak really low.
I know.
You need to speak up so we can hear you.
Right.
Let the world hear you.
Yeah. Olive oil. Yeah.
I'm done. You guys, we're done. We ate some stuff up. Well, we're here. We're always here. We're not going nowhere. Thank you so much for tuning in. We appreciate you. And if you haven't already, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Let you know when I drop it. When we drop a vid, actually, like it, comment, so we know you did all that work, and share it if you want to. You guys take care. We love you, and bye bye.